Hey friends, so I am so happy that you choose to watch this video. So every time that I post my YouTube video on this channel and my video gets at least 100 views, 100 something views, the amount of money that YouTube pays me for 100 views is insane. And I know there are other people who are receiving like reasonable amount of views. They are receiving at least 1,000 views per each video. They are receiving at least 10,000 views or 6,000 views. But the amount of money that they are making comparing to this amount of money that I'm making with just few views is way different. And I want you to listen to me very careful, because in this video I'll be breakdown and I'll show you all this video that I received only few amount of views, but I made reasonable amount of money. So if you're going to listen to this video, you are going to apply all this method that I'm going to show you. You will also start earning reasonable amount of money with just few views that you are receiving on your YouTube channel. So it's really going to be interesting, and I want you to listen to me carefully. So let's now dive in and see what you are supposed to do for you to start making a reasonable amount of money with just few views that you'll be receiving on your YouTube channel. So let's now dive in. Alright, so the secret for you to start making more money on YouTube is really not based on how many views you're going to receive on your channel, but it's all about CPM and RPM. And when I say CPM with that, CPM is the money that advertisers are going to pay YouTube company to put their ads on your video, and RPM with the money that YouTube is going to pay you after taking their cut from advertisers. So this is the difference between CPM and RPM. So I'm going to show you how this is going to work and how you're going to get paid a reasonable amount of money based on this CPM and RPM, which is very important for you as a creator to really understand this. So let's say that you have posted this video on your YouTube channel and your video received at least 2,000 views. So advertisers are going to pay this video $2, but YouTube is going to pay you $1 after taking their cut, which is $1. So the amount of money that advertisers pay YouTube is called CPM, and the amount of money that YouTube is going to pay you, which is $1, is called RPM. So the amount of money that a creator is going to receive, it always depends on CPM and RPM. I really hope that you understand the difference between CPM and RPM. So right now I'm going to show you my video so you can clearly understand what I'm talking about. Right now let me take you and show you this video that I posted only a few days ago on this channel. As you can see, this video I posted and I received only 58 views, but also you can see down here the revenue that I get from this video. I got $2.53 just from this video, which is insane. As you can see, I got only 58 views but made more than $2 with just a few amount of views that I made from this video. So you can see my RPM is at $48 on this video. So if I'm gonna get at least 1,000 views on this video, that means I'll be making more than $48 with just 1,000 views on the video. So the RPM is so high, that's the reason I made a reasonable amount of money just from this video. Alright, so this is another video. As you can see right here, I got 161 views and I got $4 from these very few views that I received from this video, and my RPM on this video was $28.26 on this video. Right now I'm going to imagine this. I'm going to take this video with 48 RPM and I'm going to imagine that I've made more than 1 million views. So you're going to have to multiply this 48 multiply this amount of views that you have received. So let's say that 1 million views. As you can see here, I could have made more than $48,000 with just one video with over 1 million views. So this is the reason. Every time that you post video on YouTube on how to make money online, if you're talking about how to make money online or any topic related to finance, these channels, they get reasonable amount of money because there are a lot of advertisers company right there. They need to put their ads on your video because there are a lot of people who are going to watch your videos. There are a lot of potential customers that are going to watch your videos. That's the reason these big companies, they need to put ads on your video so that they can get customers. At the same time, you can earn a reasonable amount of money. I can say that if you really care about making a reasonable amount of money with just few views on YouTube, I think this is the best way for you to start doing right now. If you already have YouTube channel or you are thinking about creating a YouTube channel this year, I can say that you can choose the light niche that can be good for you, that can be easy for you to start making money without having a lot of views. So this is my example, and I'm pretty sure that this is gonna inspire you in one way or another, and you're gonna have successful YouTube channel. But the other thing that you really need to consider for you to have high RPM, you need to make sure that your viewers are going to watch your video longer. So you need to make them keep watching your videos in a very long time, so that they can watch different ads that you have placed within your videos. So the other thing that I can say right now, that your video has to be longer than 8 minutes, so that you can make a reasonable amount of money, and you can put ads in too many places within the video, so that people can watch your ads and you can start earning a reasonable amount of money. So you really don't need a lot of views for you to start making a reasonable amount of money. So you just have to imagine that you have this channel and you're posting at least every single week, and your videos get at least 50,000 views a month. You can make up to $500 in every single month just by having very few views on your channel. So right now I did have this little challenge for you, and I did hope that this can help you to grow on YouTube. I want you to go ahead and create a YouTube channel if you don't have one, but if you already have one, you need to pick this profitable niche that is really gonna pay you well, and you can tell me how much you have made on your first 100 views on your video. After that, you're gonna start doing it more and more and more, and at the end of the time you can make a reasonable amount of money, and you're gonna have a successful YouTube channel. So thanks so much for watching this video, and I really hope that you're gonna go ahead and try to post this high profitable niche on your YouTube channel, and you can see how much you're gonna make on YouTube channel. So in the next video, I think I'll be talking about the high profitable niche that you can start with on YouTube to make sure that you get paid a reasonable amount of money. So you need to subscribe on this channel and share this video to your friends. Thanks so much, and I hope to see you next time.